Running an agency is no easy task, and as your business grows, so do the demands on your time. Hi, I'm Dave. I've been running a six-figure agency called Design Source Media since 2011. I've helped many agency owners scale their businesses by focusing on what truly matters, and I've spent years helping agencies grow by building high-performing teams. So today, we're gonna dive into your first hires, who they should be, why these roles are essential for sustainable growth. So if you've been struggling with too many responsibilities, you're not sure, you're in the right place. So let's break it down by starting with the first critical question, right? Your first hire, should they be an executive assistant, EA, or some sort of technical expert? Before making your first hire, you want to ask yourself, do I need more time or do I need more capacity? So if you're drowning in administrative tasks, an EA might be exactly what you need. If you're struggling to keep up with delivering services, perhaps a technical hire like a designer, developer, video editor would be a better choice. So let's dive deeper into these roles, starting with an executive assistant or EA. An EA is really a game changer. If I had to restart my agency, I would hire an EA first. That would be my first hire. And when it comes to their everyday administrative tasks that take up valuable time, they can help with email management, keeping your inbox organized, and ensuring important communications are followed up on. Scheduling, making sure your meetings and deadlines are in order. Client communication, handling routine inquiries and maintaining relationships on your behalf. So when should you hire an EA? If you're overwhelmed by non-revenue generating tasks and find yourself constantly juggling time, it's a sign that an EA could make all the difference. With administrative support covered, now let's move on to more of technical roles. So today I'm going to cover 3 examples of technical roles. If your agency works with video content, then it would be a video editor. So they'll be editing your video, right, transforming raw footage into polished, engaging content, some post-production, color grading. So when should you hire a video editor? If you're seeing an increasing demand for video content or expanding into multimedia services, this is a critical hire to maintain quality and output. Another technical hire for let's say a web agency would be a web designer. So web designer would be working on obviously web design, but also our web designers, they're not just working on web design, but they're working on quality assurance. They're working with our other departments or developers to ensure that the designs that were created align with the actual site itself and it is resonating to our end clients. And of course, the audience. So when should you hire a web designer? Well, if you're overwhelmed with design work or you're lacking expertise in that area. So now another example, a third example would be a social media agency. So the technical hire there would be a social media manager. So a social media manager ensures your client's content is consistent, engaging across all platforms. So there's content creation and strategy, community engagement, responding to followers, keeping the conversation going, and maintaining a strong brand voice. So when should you hire a social media manager? If social media is the core part of your client's engagement strategy, then it's essential to have a dedicated professional ensuring your client's online presence thrives. So there you have it. Whether it's time management with an EA, delivering multimedia content with a video editor, building stunning websites with a web designer, or driving engagement with a social media manager, each of these hires plays a vital role in helping your agency grow and scale. Which hire do you think your agency needs first? An executive assistant or technical hire? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to us, hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on building your agency's dream team.